Hi, this is Els from Elizabeth Craft Designs here at the studio of Scrapbook.com. We're taping some videos today and I'm super excited to be here. I would like to show and share my passion and enthusiasm about our Planner Essentials line. So what I'm going to show here is our kind of winter Christmas release. And it's so super cool to work with. So I'm going to show you the different dies, and there is more in this line, and it's all available at Scrapbook.com. So this one is the Planner Essentials 12, and it's called Arrow Page and Trees. So you have, like, this is the page, and that's so cool about it because we have dies to actually cut pages. So you can use like scrapbook paper, you can use watercolor paper, you can use mixed media paper. So any medium you like, you can cut. You can cut your own pages. So you have the trees here with the overlay, so every page is filled with some extra accessories. So super fun to work with. And of course, it's not only the planners you can use it with, you can also use it to make cards. Like this, for instance, is our Planner Essentials 13. It's the Xmas Winter insert. So if you look here, so this is the card that's actually created using that same die. So you can make your cards as well using that Planner Essentials line. So this one folds over and then it's filled with like Christmas trees that are actually used. So these specific trees are used on the cute little houses here, you see. So you can really mix and match this with your scrapbooking or your card making. It is a super fun line to work with. This is Planner Essentials 14. So you see I only show 3 now, so there are actually a lot in front of that already are out there and available at Scrapbook.com. So this is the Planner Essentials 14 Bookmark 1. So this is half a page, has a tab at the top. And then it has different ornaments in there, and it says Christmas here. And then these are the reinforcements. People love to use the reinforcements, so you can add those here to make your page give your page a little bit more strength. So a super fun set to work with. And then we have the Essentials 15. That's the Bookmark 2. And so that has the tab on the other side here. And then here you have the Christmas trees reinforcements, the wreath, some decorative pieces to decorate your wreath, and then 2 ornaments as well. And I see that this says family. Then we have here Planner Essentials 16. So it's a Christmas tree page, a very fun die to use. Comes with a truck, and I have a beautiful sample here in my planner that I will show you in a second. Comes with a little label, the trees, the tree that can go in the truck. So a super cool set to work with. Then this, Planner Essentials 17 is the film strip numbers. So it goes from 0 to 31, of course. So these numbers, we call it film strip numbers, they can be used for any occasion. So we use it in our December day by day that I'm going to show you in a second. But of course you can use that for any birthday, for any countdown to any event, any big event you have. So a very versatile set to use. And of course, when you're, age, you can cut out the numbers, you can put 2 together. So make different ages if you want to use it for a birthday. So a very versatile and fun set to work with. And then we have Planner Essentials 18, the home. And you will see in my sample book here, that's a great die to use. You can use that in your planner, but you can use that, you can actually cut it out. If you trim off this piece, you can make it into a card when you move to another home. So it's a fun set. Of course, I'm Dutch, I have to say. I live in beautiful Colorado, but I'm Dutch, and in the Netherlands we ride our bikes. So I am very happy to see the bike in here. Comes with reinforcements as well, so the key reinforcements and the hinges, and I'll show you how those are used as well in my planner. And this is the recipe book. Love this one. I have to honestly admit I'm not a good cook myself, but I have a lot of family recipes that I can put in there. And also when you do your Christmas dinner, I know parents will give their recipes to kids or to grandkids, and you can save that all in your planner in your recipe book. So very fun to use. And again, you can put a lot of history in there with family recipes. And Thanksgiving dinner, so anything you can put in there. So, and I know kids would love to know, they always love to know the recipes that their parents made or their grandparents. So good and fun to use. And then we have the stamps, of course. So we have a whole range of stamps with the Planner Essentials as well. And I'm showing the winter Christmas ones here. So here you have the one that comes with, let me put it down on the table so you can see it better. So it comes with the reindeer, and it has the Christmas is a friend of mine, daily, December moments, and here Fala, and it should be 8 times. So that's, we put the 8 there. And story of the day to remember. So these are all, you can use all these in your December day-by-day planner. This one has the delivered by reindeer mail. This is a great background stamp, so it's a saying by itself, but you can use it as a background stamp, works fantastic. And then it has, oh what fun, so just like a decorative stamp there. Then we have the winter words, so you have a frame, so you can use them all separate. You can mix and match, but all those words also fit in the little frame. So you see it has like White Christmas, the date, the day of Christmas, wrapping, cozy tree, gifts, memories, wish lists. So all to be used in your December day by day or on your Christmas card, of course. And here we have the background stamps. So we have several background stamps. So this is just like a little text here. And these are very, very versatile to use. And of course can be used in your scrapbook or on your cards as well. I love this. And of course I love this. And just very versatile to use. Same with this one. We have a saying here, I just can't stop loving you. We have some numbers, cool background. So all decorative pieces. They're all fun to use. You can put these on your stamping block, but I also like to use them just a little bit, so you kind of put them on your ink pad and just stamp a little bit with it. So it doesn't need to be the whole stamp that you use. And then we have this one, also a great background stamp. Again, same, so you can kind of stamp your whole page with it, or you can just stamp partial parts of the use partial parts of the stamp as well. And then we have 2 for the recipe book. So we have this one. So it says it serves 2, 4, 6, or you can put in the number you want there. We have prep time, cook time, ingredients, directions, master chef, kiss the cook, cakes and pies, sandwiches. And then it says kitchen is a room or place where you eat, drink, and wear your stretchy pants, which is especially after Christmas or Thanksgiving. And then here we have the recipes. So that's another one for the recipe book. So it says recipes. We have the tools here, and then appetizers, vegetables, desserts, and the whole thing you use in your recipe planner. So those were the stamps and the dies for the Planner Essentials line. And now I would like to show you the different colors of planners we have. And this changes. So if you see your favorite color, buy it now because it might not come back and we change it out. So we have the espresso. And I'm going to show you the inside. Not everything has something in there as well, but they all have a different inside as well. So you see, so this has a lighter brown inside. Then we have the champagne that has a light kind of a powder blue inside. We have a rose gold that has a kind of a light brown inside as well. Then we have the storm, beautiful dark blue color with a metallic blue on the inside. Then we have the rose, which has the red rose, which has kind of an embossed pattern on there, and it has a metallic red inside. And then we have the sunflower, kind of has kind of a little bit of the like the darker color from the sunflower inside or outside, and then inside it has the beautiful kind of beautiful bright yellow color. So those are the colors that are available now, but when you start your planners, and you keep on the lookout for more colors because they will come. So this is my December day by day that I'm going to show you. It's the rose gold that I used for this one. And I prepared a page already just to give you an idea what it can be. So here you see the reinforcements that I showed you in the dies. So this is a page that I created with my daughter, our daughter, and the grandchildren. You see the stamps here, the background stamps that I used, and the dies. So this is how you can decorate it. The rest of the planner is mostly kind of just like open, so you can fill it as you go. Here I have one picture here with the granddaughter, so that's a photo frame. That's from one of the earliest sets, so all available at Scrapbook.com as well. So here you see December 1 till 31st. So 2 of the numbers as well, the trees used here. And again, you can use your own favorite paper pads. These are pockets, and it's not in the December line, but all available online as well. So these are just blank pages, and you just start decorating. Do you go grocery shopping? You can put your grocery list in here. When you put up your tree, like this is a tree page here. and one is decorated already. You see it has a reindeer in here. So, and that's just a picture of one of the designers that created this page, Charlene. And I have to say, like this December, I have to give credit to Kobe as well, because one of our design team members prepared this one and she did a great job. And so this is what it can be. So you have your blank page and you decorate it as you go. Do you put up your Christmas tree on the 6th of December? You put your picture there of building or decorating your Christmas tree. Do you get your Christmas tree, you know, when you're buying your Christmas tree? That's an event by itself. You put a picture of that in there. Like the list from the kids, what would like the kids, the presents you need to buy. You can put it all in here and you can put all the exciting pictures in here. So this is the arrow page. So that's the same one that's used here for the card. And you can decorate that, of course, with pictures, with writing. If you're a big writer, you can like put a lot of writing in here as well. If you're not a writer, you decorate it with your pictures. So this is the house. You see the star reinforcements here, the little wreath, the reinforcements here for the hinges. You see that hinges for the door. And then here you can put your picture in here. And we made a back here as well, you see, so you can open this and put your picture in there. So I'm just going to flip through. So this is all done. You see the little truck here, showed you that in the dies. The tree here, the tree reinforcements. This is a ticket, also available. That's in the earlier release, also available at Scrapbook.com. The ornaments here, and I put some glitter dots here. So you can just decorate it as you go. You can use washi tape in here. You know, it's whatever you like, and it's personal. It cannot go wrong. And what I say as well, if I decorate a page that I think, oh, maybe I don't like it that much, that's the great thing about the system. I can take it out and put a new page in. Here the photos, so that's actually the inlay from the picture I showed earlier. So that's a die as well, the ticket, like the labels. So here we are already at the 27th. So this is the arrow page. And of course you can put it like this is attached to a page, but you can put it by itself. You can turn it around so the tip is here. So that's all up to you. And that's what I like to mention as well. For the planners, I feel it's creative freedom. So you can do whatever you like, whenever you like it. There's no rules, there's no regulations. It is your planner and you make it very personal how you like it to be. Thanks for watching. If you like this video and want to see more from Scrapbook.com, please like, share, subscribe and leave a message. Happiness is life handmade.